Are you all set to make money from house? You are most likely among the countless people who have long imagined how to generate income from home. It most likely has actually seemed like an unattainable goal in the past, however no more. You can find lots of methods to produce earnings from the comfort of your house by doing some research study on the web. Can this dream become a reality? There are plenty of people who have become their own managers because of the introduction of the info superhighway. There are a lot of people who saw the prospect of making money from home merely by using their computer partnered with the internet. You can be one of those individuals who sit in an office and generate income doing something you love and taking more enjoyment out of life. The very first action in finding out how to make money from a house is to do your research. Visit many sites, read evaluations, and use your common sense. You can save yourself a lot of time and cash by investigating how to make cash from the house thoroughly. Where to begin? If you truly want to end up being successful and make money from your house, your best bet is to use the abilities you already possess. You can make cash from your house by composing a blog and creating earnings. You can set up an online shop where you can sell specialty items or a large variety of goods. Prevent the pitfalls. Lots of individuals say they want to make cash from their house, but numerous are not prepared to work for it. Those who believe they can make money from home utilizing some type of marketing scam or pyramid are in for a rude awakening. Discover all you can and be all set to spend hours getting yourself set up and on the road to success as soon as you have actually settled on a plan for a house profession. You can't anticipate making the big bucks if you are just willing to dedicate a couple of hours a week at the finest. The people who are making genuine money from their houses are the ones ready to work hard and learn from others and theirs mistakes. They are not afraid to take danger and devote their energies to a program that has been proven to be an effective endeavor that can be run from the security of their house. There are so many people who saw the prospect of making cash from the house merely by using their computer partnered with the web. You can save yourself a lot of time and cash by researching how to make money from the house extensively. If you truly desire to end up being effective and make cash from the house, your best bet is to utilize the capabilities and skills you already possess. Lots of individuals state they desire to make money from a house, however, lots are not willing to work for it. The individuals who are making real money from their homes are the ones ready to work hard and discover from others and theirs mistakes. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.